And now we are going bowling. We're going to throw some balls. Yeah. See you.
It's Joe made it.
Yeah, so we are here to bowl, Splitsville. Where the games begin. So, this is how you score. The score is strike. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's a good one.
Hey, Zero.
Now let's see the champion bowler. Hey, here she goes. That's a good one. Woo, that was good. So the score now. That was good. 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 Anytime there's a video or picture, there's pressure on you. Okay, no picture, no video. Go again. You hit it.
The lanes are slippery, so please do not cross the foul line, and regulation bowling shoes must be worn at all times. If you have any safety concerns or need our help with anything, please
So who is winning now? Who is winning?